The bombs started falling on Tehran this morning. I will explain major changes in the next 5 minutes with multiple breakdowns possible to grab profit. Imagine waking up and hearing explosions all over Iran's capital. That's what really happened today. Right now, March 1st, 2026, the United States and Israel started big attacks inside Iran. President Trump called it major combat operations. Explosions happened in Tehran, Isfahan, Qom, and Karaj. Many U.S. warplanes from ships in the area are attacking in big groups. The name of this operation is Operation Epic Fury. This is big, and it's just the start. Iran fought back very quickly. They fired many ballistic missiles at Israel and at U.S. military bases in Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, and UAE. The United Nations called an emergency meeting. All airspace in the Middle East is closed. And markets, they're going crazy right now. Before regular trading even opened fully, silver already jumped a lot, now around $93 to $94.50 an ounce. Gold is pushing past $5,200 and even higher. Everyone who trades gold and silver is asking the same big question. Will prices keep going up fast or drop back down hard? Prices will move, that's for sure. The real questions are, which direction? How long will it last? Is this the start of a big long rally or just a quick fear jump that disappears when the news gets quiet? Many people lost big money in past events because they got this wrong. By the end, you will have 3 clear scenarios to spot profit opportunities in gold and silver. This info comes from today's reports by big names: Lombard Odier, Goldman Sachs, Bloomberg, JP Morgan, Silver Institute, and U.S. Energy Information Administration. You will learn the real connection, how Iran's actions push gold and silver prices, not just from fear, but because of one tiny sea path that carries 20% of the world's oil every day. You will also see why silver and gold don't always move together, which one can drop fast when fear ends, and why silver's 6-year supply shortage makes rallies stronger, perfect for timing trades. This is live analysis while the conflict is happening, all from very recent reports. This is not financial advice. We only explain how markets and systems work. Right now, this is the most important system to understand for making money. Let's go! First, get the real facts straight. In fast-breaking news, the difference between truth and what people think is where the real profit edge lives. Around 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time today, President Trump posted on Truth Social. U.S. military started big operations in Iran. Goals: protect America, destroy Iran's missiles and nuclear program, and help change the government there. News channels like NPR, Al Jazeera, Washington Post, CNN, and Reuters confirmed it fast. This news is pushing prices up hard. Watch for more moves. U.S. planes attacked from ships in the sea. Israel called their part "roaring lion" and said it was to stop threats. Iran fired back dozens of missiles at Israel and U.S. bases. Big bases in Qatar and Bahrain were hit. Some missiles were stopped, but explosions happened in Dubai too. Iran's navy warned, no ships can pass through the Strait of Hormuz. That's the most important thing for prices. I'll explain why soon. This didn't start this morning. It was building for weeks. Gold was already strong because people were buying it for safety. Silver had already gone up because of safety buying, plus its own strong demand. Iran did military drills in the Strait earlier this month. That already pushed prices higher. So this is not a surprise start. It's confirmation, and markets are moving fast right now. History lesson. Prices jump fast on scary news, but big, long moves only happen if there's real economic damage that lasts. Most news channels get this wrong. They think the first jump is the whole story. Data shows it's usually not. In past wars, gold jumps quick, but if the problem ends fast and oil stays okay, like Iraq 2003, Ukraine early 2022, Gulf War 1990, prices give back most of the gain. The secret to a real long rally? Ongoing high inflation. And that depends on one place, the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow sea path is only 33 kilometers wide at the tightest point. 20 million barrels of oil go through it every day. That's 20% of all oil traded by ship in the world. Most goes to China, India, Japan, Korea. Iran controls one side and can block it. If it gets blocked, oil can jump to $100 or even $130. And that pushes gold and silver much higher. Saudi Arabia and UAE have some backup pipes, but not enough to replace everything. Big banks like Lombard ODA gave 3 clear scenarios. Here they are, and what they mean for your trades. 3 scenarios. Each gives different profit setups. Scenario 1. Quick end. Attacks finish goals fast. Iran only fires a few missiles back, like before. Talks start again. Strait stays mostly open. Oil goes up a little, then falls back. Gold jumps high, stays up for a few weeks, then drops some. Silver goes up and keeps more gains because of its shortage. Good for quick long trades, then maybe sell. Scenario 2. Fighting continues plus problems in the strait. Iran uses small boats, mines, jams GPS to scare ships. Insurance gets very expensive. Oil stays high for longer. Gold keeps going up from inflation pressure. Silver does even better. Both safety buying and industry demand push it. Great for holding or adding more. Scenario 3. Full blockade or bigger war. Strait closed for weeks. 20% of world oil stops. Prices go crazy, like in 1973 oil crisis. Gold becomes the #1 safe place. Silver gets very wild, but usually big upside from money demand. High risk, high reward if it happens. What's special now? Silver is in the strongest position ever before a big event like this. Silver has had shortages for 6 years straight, hundreds of millions of ounces missing. Stocks are super low. Demand from solar panels, electric cars, AI is growing fast. New mines take 7 to 15 years to start. Silver has a strong floor. It won't crash like in past events when fear ends. Gold is pure safety money. Silver is safety money plus real industry use. Right now, both are pointing up strong. This double push is very rare and can create huge moves. To finish, bombs hit Tehran today. Silver already up big to $93, $94 plus. Gold over $5,200 plus and climbing. The Strait of Hormuz decides everything. Short fear jump or long inflation rally. Most experts think Scenario 1 is most likely. Scenario 2 is the big risk to watch. Scenario 3 is rare but would change everything. Silver's shortage means no big crash this time. That's the game changer. Markets are moving very fast. Keep eyes on the strait, oil price, and any peace talks. If you love this kind of clear, real breakdown, no hype, just facts and systems, then this is your channel. Hit subscribe to your Alexa Trader right now. Turn on notifications so you never miss fast updates.